disruption we all experienced at the start of the pandemic forced all of us to begin shifting our mindsets. It's important to remember that transactional distance is purely psychological. You can be right next to someone and feel 1,000 miles away, yet you can be 1,000 miles away from someone and feel that they're sitting right next to you. That's why shifting your mindset is so critical. When you imagine what your students are doing when they are learning effectively, whether they're in small groups or being together as a whole class with you directing their attention, what matters here is that teaching and learning in any environment, online or face-to-face, requires a genuine understanding of what works and what doesn't. It's just the tools and the way in which we use them are different. This is why having a clear understanding of what synchronous and asynchronous learning mean and how they're different in an online classroom versus a traditional one is critical. For teachers, when you are in a synchronous learning environment, you are the lighthouse. You are the shining beacon calling everyone's attention, bringing the boats to you, bringing everyone in so that you can focus the learning on what you feel it needs to be for the whole group. It's necessary for you to stand firm and gather everyone to you. When your students are working asynchronously, you are no longer the lighthouse, you are now the lifeguard. You've got to come down from the tower to go out to where the learners are. Considering this metaphor for differentiation, those students who are more independent and don't need as much support are going to be out in deeper water. But as the lifeguard, you still need to know where they are, you have to keep an eye on them. They may just need less attention. It's the students who are closer to shore, the ones who need more support, that's where you're going to be spending the bulk of your time. In a synchronous environment, the teacher directs the students. In an asynchronous environment, the students must be more self-directed. Students need to take more active roles in managing their own learning, and it is up to us to ensure that they're staying on task and on target by keeping communication lines open.